New York State can't play politics with the star relief that taxpayers desperately need. Reports this weekend have indicated that in certain areas of the state, star rebate checks, which go to homeowners for tax relief for school taxes, some residents receive them early, some will receive them later. Just so everybody is clear, star checks and star payments are the relief that taxpayers receive for school taxes. School taxes in the town of Hempstead amount to 70% of an individual's property taxes, so school taxes are high. Star discounts are essential and people want them. Traditionally, prior to 2015, residents would receive the discount automatically off their school tax bill. However, a few years ago, starting in 2015, new homeowners don't receive that discount off the bill. They actually receive a check in the mail. And when that check arrives is something that is very curious. Some residents had traditionally received them in September, October. Well, this year, things changed a little bit. For some reason, some counties in New York State, residents were receiving these checks in July, in August, weeks before primary. What are the chances? Well, you know what? We can't have that. We need to have a transparent process where residents are all treated the same. That's why when this story broke, I reached out to my friend in the state Senate, Senator Phillips, and we talked about a solution to this. And I asked the senator if she would be willing to sponsor legislation that would put an end to these separate checks, to put the process back to the way it should have been kept, that it would be unified, that residents would receive the discount all the same right on their tax bill.
I'm more concerned about providing real relief for middle-class taxpayers. That's why I'm introducing legislation to go back to a single system of tax relief. Middle-class homeowners shouldn't have to find the money to pay a higher property tax bill and then wait for a check from the state. That's a burden we don't need, and that many simply cannot afford.
This relief was meant to help middle-class residents across the state, and we should not play politics with the tax relief residents want. If we go back to the system, instead of a bifurcated system of everybody being treated the same, that they get the relief on the tax bill, then we'll have no more games being played by people in Albany, and there'll be no more accusations of partisanship or favoritism happening before a primary. Transparency, honesty, and treating everybody equal in New York State. That's what we should all expect, we should demand, and thank you for Senator looking for that and putting that legislation so everybody is treated the same.